up on that very top branch, one of those top branches. I shot it, just came falling down. Hit my yard. I came over here, grabbed my fishing net. Okay, grabbed my fishing net like always, and took it over here where the bird was laying. That's the weird thing. I've never seen any blood from the bird. Never. Haven't really looked that much. I even shot it in the head and didn't see any blood. But like I shot it, and then I picked it up like this. Okay, I have my net. Came over here to this cage, popped it open, dumped it in the cage, and then I went inside and got my dad. My dad was like, alright, it's still alive. So I'm like, here, I need to put BBs in my gun to be able to completely put it down. So I brought it here, dumped it out of the cage and all that. Took my BB gun, put it at point blank at his head, and pulled the trigger. And that was the end of that bird. Now the bird ended up landing somewhere over here. Just completely dead. Somewhere over here. I threw it over. Right there, speaking of which, right there it is. Black thing in the middle of your screen is the bird I put down. So yeah. I just wanted to tell you that quick little story. It was with a C11 BB gun, no attachments. Just, pure shot straight from the tree. About back here. Alright, I was back here. Excuse the messiness. Like I said, we just got done from going on that. Still putting off some heat too. All the charcoal is burning at the bottom. You can see it better than what I can, guys. But yeah, the other day I caught a cat. I'm just gonna tell you two stories. One. The other day I caught a cat and put it in here. So I said trap. Okay. I checked it in the morning, checked it in the afternoon. The next day. And I skipped the day of checking it because I'm like, I ain't gonna catch it that quick. Then the day after that, it was somewhere around noon, just getting off from school noon, and I went over there to the cage, which was sitting right over there. Then that, like, right next to that gate. And then, yeah, I was sitting right over there. And then I took it to the cage, and this is kind of how I tracked it a little bit. But some birds heat out like that. I don't even know if they. It wasn't even, like I said, it wasn't even at the birdseed though. And then, like how there's a bunch of birds in my backyard, there is a bird feeder right there, as you can see. And y'all can you can hear the birds right there in the background. There's one, matter of fact.